Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are in good condition. At this time, I will share about word classes. Before that, I will tell you about body syntax.
So, syntax is a part of linguistic study that determines how words or phrases put together to form a sentence. Syntactic rules are grammar account for the grammatically correctness of sentence and the ordering of words and morphemes. Okay, the next syntax involves of the first our knowledge of structural ambiguity, and the second is our knowledge that sentences may be paraphrased of each other, and the third is our knowledge of the grammatical function of each part of a sentence, that is, of the grammatical relation. So, after we knowing about what is syntax, now I will tell you about what are word classes. Word classes refers to a group of words which have similar functions. Word classes contain verb, noun, determiner, adjective, adverb, preposition, and conjunction. I will tell you about the example of word classes. Verb. The example: be, drive, grow, and things. Noun: husband, car, him, house, she, and others. Determiner: a, an, my, some, and the. Adjective: big, police, talented, tidy. Adverb: happily, recently, soon, then, there. Preposition: at, in, of, over, with, and others. Conjunction: and, because, but, if, or. And the next about morphological criterion. The singular of criterion is used in the heading because what is at stake is simply whether a given word allows grammatical suffixes or not. You can see example morphological criterion in here. Based on the example above, there are the grammatical suffixes in Russian, which means the suffixes in the ending of the word have the relationships between the noun and the verb in a clause. Morpho-syntactic criterion. These criteria have to do with inflectional suffixes. The suffixes in nouns are inflected for information about number and case. Verbs are inflected for information about tense, person, and number. Adverbs and prepositions are not inflected. English adjectives are not associated with number or case, but many of them take suffixes signaling a greater quantity of some property. For example, bigger or biggest. Remember, case in the relationships between the noun and the verb in a clause which is signaled by different suffixes. and inflectional suffixes express grammatical information such plural or English forms. The next syntactic criterion. The syntactic criteria for words classes are based on what words a given word occurs with and the types of phrase in which a given word occurs. You can see the example syntactic criterion in here. A. The dog stole the turkey. B. The children kissed the dog. And C. The cook served no scraps for the dog. Based on the example above, the given word in noun phrase can be occurred anywhere by adding the article for some noun or change the article with adjective. Hungry dogs. And the last, semantic criterion. What words mean it deals with meaning, dictionary, and speaker's meaning. For example, noun as word denoting people, place, or things. Verbs are words denoting an action. What speakers do with word, it refers to the principle that when speakers perform speech as, they also perform action. For example, speaker asks, assert, issue comments, describe, and others. Speakers and writers pick what are called verb when predicating, adjective when adding to the information carried by a noun, that is, when they perform the speech act of modifying, and adverb when they add to information carried by a verb or an adjective. Speech acts is any words or string of words that express meaning. Speakers use speech acts to assert, to refer to entities, to predicate is expressed in the formula of someone saying something about a person or thing, and to issue a comment. Okay guys, I think enough. I hope useful for us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.